Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through how to change the language settings in LibreWolf. Whether you want to switch the display language for menus, messages, or notifications, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open your LibreWolf browser. Once it's open, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side of the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down and then look for the Language and Appearance section. Select the language you want to use from the list. If your preferred language isn't listed, you can click on Set Alternatives and search for it. Once you've selected your language, click Add. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language settings in LibreWolf. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.